Fuck. So I'm 100% guilty of buying those like 99-cent sausages, pickled sausages at the gas station when you're checking out. I love them. I even drink the juices out of them sometimes. But I am about to try my very first Long John sausage stick, and it feels like it's in a natural casing, which is really nice. This one is the blazing hot one. It's the blazing hot one. Ridley wants one. The heat kicks in after on your tongue. It's actually really good. And these are 100% natural casing. Can you see that? Oh, so good. These are good. I also got the sizzling hot one. So let's try that one too. Let's start with the juice, since I spilt the juice of the other one. Can you get down? Anyways, back to business. This is the sizzling hot one. Sizzling hot, blazing hot. The blazing hot is way hotter than the sizzling hot. The sizzling hot is my favorite. I like it. I just got juice on my boob. Don't be making any jokes.